Another way of formatting your sheet is by applying themes. Now, this helps the users create more professional looking documents. So in MS Excel, what they have done is they have incorporated a concept known as document themes. By using themes, it is easy to specify the colors, fonts, and variety of graphic effects in a document. And best of all, changing the entire look of your document in a breeze. Yeah. A few mouse click is all it takes to apply a different theme and change the look of your document. Now, how do I access these themes? So I need to do is I need to go to page layout on your ribbon. Yeah. Within this page layout, you have the option called themes. Yeah. Within themes, you have this theme command. Now you can have a separate effects, fonts, colors, which are available as well, which we'll see in this video. So let me first apply uh, a particular theme. Yeah. So let me remove all these drawings. So I have this data. I want to apply a particular theme to this data. So it looks beautiful. So I have this office theme. You can see the data being changed into that theme. So you have facet. Just have a look at the data which is being changing. So I'll just move this data bit here. I'll add some more columns. Yeah, so you can see the themes changing. So let me hover my pointer over various themes. So you can see the data, how it is changing in terms of the themes that I select. Yeah. You can have various colors which can be given. Okay, I need to select. So I can have various colors being added. You can see the colors changing down here. You can have a look at the colors that are changing as I choose the various types of color here. Yeah. So there are color changes happening as well. I can customize colors, whether I want the background as something else, accent as something else, hyperlink as something else. I can do everything that is required. Yeah. I can have the font being changed to different fonts that are available. How the font customization can happen for heading, for the data within it. Yeah. I can have effects on it, like smoky effect. You can see the effects that are happening on this data. I can have this customized themes already. You see, there are a lot of themes that are changing. Or I can browse for some other themes that are available on my desktops. If there are any office themes available, yeah, I can have this current theme being saved and used somewhere else as well. I'll say save current theme and I can save it. Okay. So I can create my own theme on this data and I can save it and say save my current theme, by which I can create my own theme. But there are so many themes which are already available here that I hardly feel there is a requirement wherein uh, we need to change that particular theme. These are very good, very well-made themes which can be used for your data. Even though if you want to change it, I just select one of the theme and I can make the relevant changes. Yeah, once I applied the theme color, see my fonts are changing, wherein the color theme is the same. Or I can keep my font as it is and just change the colors. Okay, or I can change the effects. Okay, so this is how you can use themes for your data to make them look beautiful while it is being viewed. I majorly use themes when I'm preparing any dashboard which has uh, metrics data being shown to a particular entity in terms of top performers or top regions with a lot of growth percentage, YOY percentage. When I'm showing some kind of table or a metrics in a data form on my dashboard, I use these themes so that I can have consistent themes across all my tables in my dashboard. Yeah. So this is where you can apply themes on your data. You can play around with it pretty simple. Just have to click and select what you want it to be like. Yeah. Hope you'll use it for your for making your data look beautiful. Hope you understood how you can apply themes to your data. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. And yes, do not forget to comment or subscribe to my channel because that's how you're going to get all these videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.